Brother, not tell me nothing, man. Because you carry my cousin up on apps without my permission and make him dead. You see it? I know me not even have nothing to prove for it. What do you mean? Yo, the man cancel the transaction that before that got you. You see it? Brother. Yo, you have to go lift up, you know, hombre. You see me? You have to go just lift up. Because you not got any well, fam. Not got any well. You see it? Yo, wow, bro. You know, I have a little mission for you, but I need a close mark one, brother, for me. You know, I might get physical, you know, but I don't know where you can anger. Yeah, man. So, you know, bro, you send out the details and everything. Alright, cool.
Dollars young me ne cause me born fi rich, we born fi hustle hard, me no born fi switch. When me step inna the street, them say me born fi this. Anytime me set a target, that hard fi miss. Dollars young me ne cause me born fi rich, we born fi hustle hard, me no born fi switch. When me step inna the street, them say me born fi this. Anytime me set a target, that hard fi miss. From you looking at me face, you know say man a go get a 10,000 pound fi keep me warm like a sweater. Me tired fi ya send me in a bag of job letter. Look on me feet, you see, man a trend setter plus my friend them. While than a dozen alligator, we no take style in style. Gel and me say so, the crooks them now it rise the thing and make it echo. But a money man a pre, tell squash and me say so. You know where you going now? Your barber king.
Yeah.
That is it, man, you know. Round me neck cause me born fi rich. Hustle hard, me no born fi switch. Step inna the street, them say me born fi this. Watch out. Mama did tell me say friend a failure, so me never look to none fi be me savior. Man a hunt fi the paper, navigator. Yeah, but mine a call me operator. Them no want see me chain match me operator, but a crocodile skin a whip on the feet ya. North Coast man they a feel them breeze ya, and them they a yard and can't leave ya. You know where going on, man. That is it, you know.
Yeah, bad man. Let me tell you something. Me no like them style here when me hear a go. You hear that? Because yes, me is the same man that come around here and try to minimize the violence. But you see when violence necessary, it will be very violent. You overs. I wonder if you don't understand and get the magnitude of how serious it was to get rid of this brother totally once and for all. Instead, this we have now.
Webman, how are really going?
I see me put two in them chest, you know. And I tell Bishop say we check him body, you know. And Bishop say my marks man in the need to check nobody boy dead. And we left same time. But he come like God bring him back.
Hey yo, pull over. Where the one vicious there?
I know some circling father. When I see me now, come like him a keep in, I know we pray.
Right now, in a bad man. But nah lie, man, don't please with what me see a go on. Because, as me tell the item, all of the plans what we have for the development of the community is in jeopardy right now. Because of this one thing. You overs. Even the local barber shop and where we are planning to put on the front and set up the studio, we can't do that. There's, as even the peace dance, I personally advise against that. Until we get this sorted out.
Pull over.
No father.
You don't know where Chopper live.
Yeah man, can't circle man.
Yo, I'm gonna check him out. Yo, Webman. You must say your sister knows. I want to check her. I see everybody coming to punch her home recently.
Yeah. And one more chance to now get here.